Kasi sa'yo, sa sarili mo pa lang, alam mo na kung ano yung value mo at kung ano yung ginagawa mo at hindi mo need mag-explain. Don't let other people define yourself. Okay? Dahil alam mo naman sa sarili mo kung sino ka talaga, kung ano ka. So that's how rejection therapy works. So now na with this one, na alam nyo yung rejection therapy, at nung ginawa ko yung rejection therapy, I learned how to lean into my anxiety. Okay, kasi yung anxiety, hindi mawawala yan. Yung nervyos mo, hindi mawawala yan. Yung pagiging anxious mo, hindi mawawala yan. Ang kaya mong gawin dito is to soothe it. Okay, parang paano mo pakakalmahin yung sarili mo, paano mo iindahin. Okay? So with this one, I learned how to lean into my anxiety, act on impulses, and take more risk. So that's the perfect formula in order for you to be proactive in life on how you can be the leader, the king of your own self-sustainable world. You need to lean into your anxiety. You need to act on your impulses and also take more risk. In that way, mas mabilis mong makukuha yung mga bagay na para sa'yo. Dahil naniniwala ako na lahat ng bagay na para sa'yo ay para sa'yo. So the more you lean into your anxiety, the more you act on your impulses, the more you take risk, the more na makukuha mo yung gusto mo.